Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace headlights on a Cadillac SRX. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. This prevents any accidental electrical issues during the process. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. You'll need to remove several fasteners from the front bumper cover, usually 7mm bolts. After that, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal a few more hidden bolts. Once those are out, locate and unscrew the three main bolts that hold the entire headlight assembly in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any plastic clips. With the assembly loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling. If you're just replacing a bulb, twist the old one out and insert the new one, avoiding touching the glass. If replacing the whole assembly, simply remove the old unit. Then, install your new headlight bulb or the complete assembly, making sure it seats perfectly and the electrical connection is firm. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Securely reattach the three main bolts holding the headlight assembly. Then, carefully refasten all the bumper cover and fender liner clips and bolts you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test both the high and low beam headlights to ensure they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.